Mandy here. I'm here to share this cute little bunny card that I made using Tiara Jackson's new stamp called Patience and Love. I started off by choosing a piece of paper from the Mint Berry paper pad from Paper Studio, and I coordinated the paper with the same markers, and the markers I'm using are Crayola washable markers. I used them by swiping them onto an acrylic block and using a water brush to pick up the colour. Once the image was dry, I took a stitched scalloped die and cut out the bottom of the image and also the patterned paper, and then I used some tacky glue and foam squares to stick it to a white card base. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!